guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon because I've just started. So without any further blabbering, let's begin with the real talk of the day. Is this that welcome to my makeup basic series, like you can see in the tag of this video itself. So we are going to talk about episode 1 of, and the main agenda of today is to get a good base makeup. So I just thought that I should divide this base makeup tutorial into 2 parts. The first routine is going to be prepping your skin for a flawless foundation, and then is the actual makeup tutorial. So I have compiled both of them and I'm going to show you guys the whole video, of course. And if you like it, then please give it a like, share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Now first we will prep our skin the night before our makeup. Now for this you need only one thing, and the other thing is optional. This is a facial razor from Tinkle. I've shown this in my previous haul video. If you want to see the haul, then I put the link down in the description. So first we are going to scrub our face. With this one is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub. You can take any scrub that suits your skin type, and then we are going to scrub. The main reason behind scrubbing your face the night before makeup that I do usually is to remove all the blackheads, whiteheads, to remove excess sebum, to clean my pores, to let it breathe, let my skin breathe. It kind of gives you a extra glow to your face, so it kind of works when you're getting your base makeup done. Plus it even outs your skin, so your skin won't feel bumpy or uneven when you're applying your makeup or foundation. And then we're going to use this. So after scrubbing your face, I'm shaving off my excess facial hair. Now this is optional for those who have sensitive skin because it may lead to breakouts. Step for the main makeup is moisturizing your face. So you need to moisturize your face before you use a primer, just to give that extra moisture and glow. Then I'm using the Insight Primer. This is step 4, and you have to apply the primer on the areas where you have excess oil or pores. This will make your skin smooth and make your application of foundation very, very easy and flawless. So the foundation of the day that I picked up is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Buff Leash. I like to apply my foundation evenly through dots or all over my face, so whenever I'm using an applicator, it's very easy to blend. make sure that you drag your brush in a downward motion and not a zigzag or upward motion. That way you will get a patchy foundation. Now we are going to apply a concealer. This is the step 6, and we are using the concealer Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade medium, and I'm using an inverted V shape, like I'm drawing an inverted V shape underneath my eyes. We are done with our makeup. Now we need to set our face, that is to set our base makeup using a loose powder or a pressed powder. This is the Stay Matte pressed powder by Rimmel, and I'm using it in those areas where I get a little bit shiny, I have oiliness there, so I'm just setting my face. So let me know which part of my face looks more natural, the brush side or the makeup sponge side. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.